Transferring data with FileZilla. Now that we've set up our environment and know our way around, it's time to start transferring our files into Sockeye for analysis, and then back out as necessary. There are several ways that this can be done, each of which has its own advantages. In this video, I'll be talking about FileZilla, which is a free and open source tool best suited to interactive bulk transfer of files, but also noting that we have videos on transferring data with Globus File Transfer as well as Secure Copy or SCP. To follow along with this video, you'll first need to download FileZilla, and the information to do so can be found in the video notes. Also worth noting is that you'll need to connect to the UBC MyVPN if not on the UBC network. To find out more about MyVPN, refer to the link in the video notes, or check out the video Tools to Connect to Sockeye. As mentioned, FileZilla is a free and open source FTP, or File Transfer Protocol, client which is designed to facilitate the sharing of files between two computers. A main strength of FTP is the reliable and efficient bulk transfer of files, which is handy for many HPC users. With FileZilla, you can upload, download, delete, rename, move, and copy files. While FTP in general can be accessed via a terminal, FileZilla provides a friendly graphical user interface, making it very accessible to users of all experience levels. To get started, you can open up the FileZilla app and click the icon in the top left-hand corner to access the Site Manager. You can also find the Site Manager by clicking the File tab. After opening up the Site Manager, there are a few things to set up before connecting. First, next to the Protocol option, you'll want to select SFTP-SSH File Transfer Protocol. SFTP, or Secure File Transfer Protocol, uses the Secure Shell, or SSH protocol to transfer data between machines and encrypts data being transferred. After selecting this, in the Host box, you'll enter sockeye.arc.ubc.ca, and in the Port box, you'll enter 22, which are the connection details for Sockeye. Then, for the logon type, select Interactive, and in the User box, enter your UBC CWL. You can then press the Connect button below, and will be prompted to enter your CWL password. After entering your password, you'll be prompted to select an option for the Duo two-factor authentication. In the password box, you can enter the number 1 for a Duo push, or the number 2 for an SMS passcode to be texted to you. After entering your selection, press OK, and you'll be connected and ready to go. Once you get into FileZilla, there will be two window panes on your screen. The pane on the left is your personal computer and contains all the folders and files you'd find on your computer. The pane on the right is Sockeye, and when you first connect to FileZilla, you'll be brought to your home directory. To access different directories, you can manually type the path into the Remote Site text box at the top of the pane. To download files from Sockeye to your local computer, first move to the directory you would like the files to be moved to on your computer in the left pane in FileZilla. Then, on the right pane, select the file or folder you would like to download, right-click it, and select Download. Your file or folder will be moved to the queue in the lower pane, and once it has successfully transferred, you'll see the transfer added to the list of successful transfers, also in the lower pane. If the download fails, it will be moved to the Failed Transfers window in the lower pane. While troubleshooting failed transfers is beyond the scope of this video, FileZilla will display the reason the download failed. But, as always, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. To upload files from your computer to Sockeye, you can do the process for downloading data in reverse. First, in the right pane, move to the directory in Sockeye that you would like to move the files or folders to. Next, select the files or folders on your computer on the left pane that you would like to move to Sockeye. Right-click them and then select Upload. Then, just like the downloading example, it will be moved to a queue below, where you can check on the status and see if the transfer was successful or not. And that marks the end of transferring data with FileZilla. As a quick recap, the topics we covered in this video were introducing FileZilla as an effective way to make single and bulk file transfers, connecting to Sockeye with FileZilla, downloading files from Sockeye to your local computer, and uploading files from your local computer to Sockeye. As always, if you have any questions, please consult the technical user documentation, which can be found in the video notes, and don't ever hesitate to reach out to us at arc.support@ubc.ca.